Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Quick Tips, your go-to spot for straightforward crypto guides. Today, we're diving into how to send USDC from Tangem Wallet to Binance in 2025. If you're holding USDC on your Tangem hardware wallet and want to move it to Binance for trading or staking, this step-by-step tutorial will make it simple and secure. Let's jump right in. First things first. Make sure you have your Tangem wallet set up and connected to the Tangem app on your phone or computer. Double-check that you have USDC in your wallet. Remember, USDC is a stablecoin, so it's great for transfers without wild price swings. Now, head over to Binance and log into your account. Go to your wallet section and copy your USDC deposit address. Pro tip: always verify that you're using the correct network, like Ethereum or Solana, as Binance supports multiple chains in 2025. Get this wrong, and your funds could be lost forever. Once you've got that address, open the Tangem app and select the Send or Transfer option. Enter the amount of USDC you want to send, making sure to leave enough for any network fees. Paste in the Binance wallet address carefully, double-check for typos. Before you confirm, review the transaction details, including the fee estimate. In 2025, with improved blockchain tech, fees are lower, but they can still add up, so keep an eye on that. Hit confirm, and you'll need to authenticate with your Tangem hardware wallet. Use the physical button or PIN for extra security. Once the transaction is broadcast, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to process, depending on the network congestion. While you wait, track it on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. Finally, once it's done, log back into Binance and check your USDC balance. Congrats! You've successfully transferred your funds. Remember, always prioritize security. Use two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. Thanks for watching, folks. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next video.